Keratin treatments may seem like a miracle for your hair, but beneath that glossy surface lurk serious risks that many people are unaware of. While you've seen friends flaunting their sleek locks, have you heard the whispers about the potential dangers? The hidden consequences of keratin treatments on hair health and scalp sensitivity are becoming increasingly concerning. Picture this: you walk into your favorite salon, excited for a transformation. The scent of the treatment fills the air, but have you ever considered what's really in those products? Many formulations contain harsh chemicals that could wreak havoc on your scalp and hair over time. You invest in that treatment for silky, manageable hair, yet you might end up with brittle strands and an itchy scalp. Can you feel that knot of anxiety tightening? Take Sarah's story as a warning. She loved her keratin treatment until her scalp became constantly irritated. What started as a minor annoyance escalated into uncontrollable itching. What if that happened to you? Those chemicals can build up, and you might think, just one more treatment won't hurt. But what if it leads to more than dryness? What if it strips away your hair's natural protective oils? The tension is rising, isn't it? Long-term effects are even more concerning. Research suggests potential risks like hair loss and skin issues. You might feel safe now, but are you gambling your hair health for a temporary fix? If you've already taken the plunge, it's not too late to act. There are safer alternatives that can deliver shine without the hidden dangers. As you ponder this, ask yourself, is that shiny appearance worth the long-term cost? It may be time to reflect on your choices and rethink that next salon appointment. Remember, your hair deserves better. Have you ever considered that your quest for sleek, perfect hair might be hiding a more serious issue? What if that keratin treatment you trust is actually harming your scalp and hair health? Stick around, because what you are about to learn might surprise you. Many people view keratin treatments as a miracle fix for shiny, frizz-free hair, but there's often a hidden cost to that glossy finish. While you're relaxing in the salon chair with a complimentary drink, your scalp could be sending out warning signals. It's not just about how you look today. Those chemicals can impact your hair's long-term health. Imagine waking up one morning and finding clumps of hair coming out as you run your fingers through it. Unfortunately, this harsh reality affects many after repeated treatments, with consequences lurking just beneath the surface. You might think you're making a harmless choice, but consider that tingling sensation on your scalp during the treatment. That's not just a sign the product is working, it's a red flag indicating your scalp is reacting to those harsh chemicals. Picture yourself in the salon, leaning back as the stylist applies the product. Have you ever stopped to ask what's really happening up there? And then there's the aftermath. Sure, your hair may look stunning at first, but how often have you heard of increased sensitivity or irritation after a treatment? These signs can be subtle but accumulate over time, leading to more serious issues. You might feel fine now, but sensitivity isn't just a minor annoyance, it can signal deeper damage. What happens when you start noticing patches or thinning areas? You could be facing a tough situation, and many don't connect the dots until it's too late. Here's the kicker: while you're enjoying that sleek finish, the chemicals are gradually breaking down your hair's structure. Imagine admiring your flawless hair in the mirror while, inside, your strands are slowly weakening. It's like a ticking time bomb. So what can you do? First, pay attention to your scalp signals. Is there itching or burning? Which very or these aren't just side effects, they're your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. You owe it to yourself to listen. Consider reducing those treatments and exploring more natural alternatives. You might discover that healthier hair comes from a different approach. Remember, beauty shouldn't come at the expense of your health. As you continue your hair journey, keep in mind that those hidden consequences might be just around the corner. If you found this information helpful, think about sharing it. Your friends deserve to know too. Did you know that what seems like a simple salon visit could actually harm your hair more than you realize? Keratin treatments are often praised for their sleek, shiny finish, but the hidden effects on your hair health and scalp sensitivity are frequently overlooked. Let's explore a world where beauty might come with unexpected costs. Picture this: you leave this salon feeling fabulous with glossy, smooth hair. But what about tomorrow or next week? The negative effects can creep up on you, and by the time you notice, it might be too late. When you're focused on immediate results, it's easy to miss the fine print. If you've experienced unexpected breakage or an itchy scalp after a treatment, you're not alone. Many people don't realize these issues can stem from the products used or the techniques applied. Imagine sitting in your stylist's chair, excited for your transformation. You trust their expertise, but what if they don't fully understand your hair type or sensitivities? Using the wrong keratin formula can strip your hair of essential moisture, leaving it brittle and lifeless. And that's just the beginning. Now, let's discuss scalp sensitivity. You might feel great after your treatment, but that tingling sensation could indicate a negative reaction to the chemicals. This warning sign is often ignored, with many thinking it's just part of the process, but overlooking it can lead to bigger issues down the line. So, what hidden signs should you watch for? Have you noticed any changes in your scalp? Tightness or redness could be your skin sending a warning. If you see flakes or irritation, it's definitely time to take a step